Recently, you've been pushing for President Duterte to pass the bill, to amend the baseline law ahead of his SONA, so we can better enforce the ruling of the arbitral court. Can you expound more on your suggestion?
Yes, Ami, kasi we won the tribunal award, no? What we won is that hindi yon territory. Let's say it's about the waters lang. Okay, yes. So 200 miles. See, the problem with the wind is we have 200 miles na nautical miles. Ano ba ito? EEZ. No. What happens now to the pockets? For example, Pag-asa. The ruling says Pag-asa is just a wrap. Therefore, it's just entitled to 12 nautical miles. Now, the Republic Act does not specify the measurements, no? the meets and bounds of Pag-asa. Okay, so if you are a Coast Guard personnel, you know, and now they're fielding women, no, to show off the other countries. How do you know that you are within 12 nautical miles of Pag-asa, for example? And there are so many small rocks there. Kasi the ruling is the whole South China Sea, wala nang islands doon. So lahat are at most itong tawag rocks. Even most of the features there are underwater. Walang measurements yan. So
you're saying to identify the features. Ganun mo ba?
Yes. The features are identified, may pangalan ng features. Ngayon, to make the measure. For example, Pag-asa is identified.
Yes.
But yung 12 nautical miles around Pag-asa, hindi yun.
I-define mo.
Yes,
parang
kasi may longitude,
yes, latitude, longitude. Yes. But of course, again, si Justice Carpio says that this law is it's not practical because it will take a long time now to actually amend the law, and that there are certain geologic features now, sir, na nag-iiba-iba pag high tide and low tide, and so it will take a long time to establish whether to decide whether or not those features are valid as features, no? What's your take on that?
My take on that is let's ask NAMRIA, because NAMRIA can easily tell us what the longitude and of these features are. They can tell you in an instant. It will not take years, and so ang sinasabi ko, if you are the female adjutant of the Coast Guard, and you go on a megaphone and you try to tell the Chinese vessel, umalis kayo diyan, ano naman pinaghahawakan mo? Okay, number two, that thing na because of climate change, this might change. I think kung wala ka ng baseline law, kasi in 1,000 years baka magpalit. Now, Justice Carpio, of course, has championed other measures. He has championed, for example, going to the ICC, International Criminal Court, to jail Xi Jinping. Now, is that what he is saying? That's the more practical. Is that kasi actually he has a book, he has around 10 or 12 mga panukala, ganon. Ako isa lang ang sa akin, ito lang. Now, I'm not saying na ako ang tama, but pag-usapan lang. So, balik ako sa ICC suit. Is that the most practical way? Of course, it will not cost us anything. Kung manalo tayo, di sikat tayo. You tell China, you pay billions upon billions. So, now, is that the way to go? Or itong you go to the UN, okay, UN, okay. Alam mo naman may veto power si China doon. Now, alam mo kung minsan now itong let us call ASEAN, let us call, alam mo nung nagdulog tayo ng kaso, narinig ko na yan, we everybody should join us. You know what? nung final na ang kaso, ay naku, nag-iisa tayo doon sa Hague. Wala tayong kakampi. By our lonesome, we spent for it, we argued it. Yung US, they did not even, our neighboring countries were there as observers. Of course, they're very nice. They will say, magkita kayo sa lunchroom, they're very nice, gano'n.
But I hope you're not saying, Justice, that I hope you're not admitting that the arbitral win is just a scrap of paper.
No, by no means.
Yeah, because,
it is not a mere scrap of paper. That is why the way to enforce it is now to specify in our law. Okay.
Baseline law.
The baseline law. It's a small step. It can be done. Pilipino lang ang gagawa noon. We are not going outside. We are not sabi na we will lead the other countries yung ganon. Let them do that. But ito lang, maliit lang na bagay.
In the absence of a law, will a presidential proclamation work? An executive order?
No. In international law, you need effectivity. You need a law to do it. You need a law.